Hi there. Today we're going to go over how to round data frames. So we're going to be rounding, whole columns of data pretty quickly and pretty easily, hopefully in around a minute. And so here I'm just kind of creating a fake data set. You can see I'm just putting everything in this variable data and then creating a data frame out of it using pandas. So when I run this, you can see an example of what it kind of looks like. And so my goal here is to just convert this temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit. So where I'm from, we use Fahrenheit. But we're going to go through two methods. Method A is going to be pretty straightforward, and we're just going to use pretty simple notation here where we multiply by 9/5 and then add 32. So it's pretty, straightforward the way we set this up. And you can see we get what we want in terms of we have this new column that has all this temperature data now in Fahrenheit. And you can see how pretty easy it was to achieve this. All we had to do was set, the new column here as the variable. We called it Fahrenheit, and we set it equal to whatever the Celsius column was, but just some math done to it. Now the only kind of extra thing you might want to do is rounding. And so here I show it's the same code as last time, except I have an extra line here where we use the rounding method after creating it. And you can see it rounds it to the nearest whole number. Now the only thing is it's a little unclean because you're taking two lines to do a relatively simple action. And so I want to show one more way with method B here, which is just using chaining in Python. So by chaining the mathematical processes, we can do this all in one line. And so you can see that's what I've done right here. And it's very similar to what we had before. We set up the new column name, set it equal to the one in Celsius. But now we're chaining a multiplication method, and then a adding method, and then we're the rounding. And so now we're just doing this all in one line. It's pretty convenient. And when I run it, you can see I get something similar as I did last time. Oh, I meant to make that 0. So, and I can also leave it at default if it doesn't really matter. Anyway, if there are any questions about that, of course ask. But thank you. Bye-bye.